with Farzana Ali at 101 Incredible Women Series. Another beautiful day with another beautiful lady, Saima Surfraz. She's an esteemed educationist and a visionary leader. Welcome, Saima, to 101 Incredible Women Series.
Thank you so much, Farzana. I'm really happy that you invited me here. Thank you so much.
And we are quite excited to have you with us.
Thank you.
And I hope we are going to have a wonderful conversation today.
Inshallah.
Let's start this conversation with your journey from a housewife to entrepreneur.
All right. Basically, definitely I was housewife like before 15 to 16 years back. I was just a lady who cooks food, who, just घर के काम काज में वक्त गुजारा. So with the passage of time, I thought, I'm wasting myself. So I started, job as a teacher. I joined 3 to 4 different schools. So, but again, soul is just restless. मैंने सोचा what I'm doing for myself, why I'm working for others. So my husband suggested me, if you want to do something, okay, do it. I'm with you. So that was actually perfectly and precisely the moment what I waited for. I started my own school, and it's the right school. Alhamdulillah, within 9 years now, I have made 2 branches in the city. As well as I'm working for an NGO, and it's non-profitable organization. So I went door to door. I asked some persons for help. They are definitely generous people, and they helped me. And Alhamdulillah, now I'm offering free education to the students, to orphans. I'm providing them free books, free uniform. So this is a journey.
Saima, so आज मैं मिल रही हूँ उस incredible women से जो एक housewife थी जो सिर्फ cooking करती थी.
Yeah, exactly.
And you came up with the idea, and there was a driving force जिसने आपको drive किया towards starting your own campus, and now you're doing for the people of the country too. So as you're providing free education.
Yeah, of course.
Who played an integral part in the success story of Saima Surfraz?
बेसिकली मैं समझती हूँ कि गॉड गिफ्टेड चीज़ें भी होती हैं, एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज भी आ जाते हैं, उसमें फैक्टर्स आ जाते हैं, एलिमेंट्स आ जाते हैं. माई फादर सपोर्टेड मी, एंड इट्स जस्ट, यू कैन से इट्स ऑल अबाउट पैशन, इट्स हंगर फॉर सक्सेस. सो यू कैन से कि my father actually he supported me, and he guides me in the best way. Whenever I thought I was stuck, for example, I am stuck sometimes, so he guides me. And अगर मुझे नहीं समझ आ रही कि what to do and how can I overcome the situations, so he guides me in this way. So I think passion is everything. Passion is energy, and passion is power. So if you work, make sure that you are doing something you are passionate about. तो अगर आप for example कोई भी काम कर रहे हैं, if you paint, if you write, if you even cook food, so do it with passion. एक passion ही है जो आपको आगे लेके जाता है. Plus in this journey, my father and my husband, they supported me a lot. तो यही सारे factors थे और elements थे जिनके साथ मिलकर I came up.
Well, Saima, you're working in the field of education for last 9 years. And if I would see over the last couple of years, the dynamics of educations are completely changed.
Yeah.
And now due to COVID, I have seen there's a rise of online learning. What is your take on that?
Yes, Farzana, it's no doubt it's a need of time, it's the need of market as well. But if I'm talking about Gujarat, I have 2, institutions in Gujarat. So it's a small city. It's like, you can say it's like a rural area. So it's not possible for everyone to get the facility of internet or some other technologies. So sometimes we miss we miss some things, और हमें उस तरह से result उसका नहीं सामने आ पाता. But anyhow, we are working with it.
Saima, since you are a very powerful woman who are running 2 institutions, who are running her home, who are seeing so many things from Gujranwala to Gujarat.
Yeah, exactly.
How do you manage your time?
Being a lady, I think it's definitely it must be, or it should be, you can say, our first duty or first priority to manage all the things in our domestic life. I'm basically family oriented person. So I don't think so कि अगर आप business level पे आप यहाँ पे हो तो घर बार बच्चे family parents friends somehow you can say all other things वो बिल्कुल down मतलब जा रहे हैं. I think we should do all jobs on the parallel lines. So definitely इसके लिए हमें बहुत मेहनत भी करनी पड़ती है. Unfortunately nowadays I can see most of the people they are complaining yaar we are not able to keep up with competing commitments. So इस तरह से वो समझ रहे हैं कि हमारा बहुत सा कीमती वक्त ज़ाया हो रहा है. But I think it's really important to note that all the you can say priorities जो हैं they are defined by us. बस हम ही होते हैं जो अपनी priorities को define करते हैं. So alhamdulillah I haven't any regret. I can manage my life in home as very beautifully I am doing. Like you can see right now I have my baby with me all time since 3 years. Now he is mashallah 3 years old. So from 3 years my baby is with me all time, even in the car, even in the office, even on the table when while I'm talking to some visitors, even in the kitchen, so everywhere. Same thing whenever my parents called me, unki ek call pe I'm available. And same thing you can say alhamdulillah I'm doing it well. I can say I haven't any regret about it.
So well, Saima,
Yeah.
so I can see a proud mother who's sitting in front of me and who's looking after her 3 years old baby and the other baby, which is her business venture too, very beautifully. So what is success to you?
Success, I think success is being a woman. I think I can say success is to get balanced life. So as I told you before, it's all about passion. If we have passion in our if we have passion to do something, we can manage all the things. So this is for myself, in my eyes, this is my success, that I'm doing business and I'm handling all other my domestic issues definitely, and my family chores as in the better way.
Well, Saima, when I recall my first meeting with you and the thing that inspired me and that that connected me towards Saima, that was the poetry.
Yeah, exactly.
That you narrated on that day. So any piece of poetry?
Yes, of course, Miss Farzana. Actually, when I joined Girl Guide Association, I was in grade 9th. It was actually the time when I started poetry. So through campings, I got a lot of time and I was too nearer and closer to the nature. So in fact, I wrote my 2 beautiful poems in that session, in camping session, and I got first position. So I would like to share it after a long time.
Sure.
So the theme was actually the safai, cleanliness in Barka Kalan. It was rural area और जहाँ जिस घर में मुझे टास्क मिला था सफाई का, वो मैंने वहाँ पे मुझे पता चला कि जी after 15 years मैं उस घर की सफाई करने जा रही हूँ. I painted the walls, I painted windows और पूरा घर अच्छा खूब साफ किया. And then suddenly Appa, who was the trainer, she ordered me कि just leave all jobs and go to that corner and write something about सफाई. I was just confused कि सफाई को लफ्ज़ों में कैसे बयां किया जा सकता है. Anyways, after the struggle of 3 to 4 hours, when I came back to Appa, everyone is surprised and I got first position. So I would like to share. एक जो वाक़या सुनाया चाहती हूँ मैं आपको, पसंद आवे ना आवे सब आपको, लेकिन मैं कहूँगी, हाँ कहूँगी जनाब को, कि हुई बहुत तकलीफ़ दिले बेताब को, जो देखा कि रुल रहा है मट्टी में मोती, क्यों बन गई जागती आँख भी सोती, जो ज़रा सी भी तड़प दिल में होती, ये वादी जन्नत ही बन गई होती. था जब चार तरफ एक गहरा सन्नाटा, एक किरण ने आकर जुल्मत को काटा, निकला जो रंग सब हो गए दंग, क्या खूब हुई ज़मीं और आसमां की जंग. कि आसमां तो देखता ही रह गया, تھا کیا کیا وار وہ سہ کیا. ہوا کچھ یوں کہ کرن نے کرن سے مل کر کیا نور ہر ایک دل پر, سب کی روحوں پر پھونکا وہ سور کہ نظر آنے لگی جنت میں حور. چھپا لیا اپنے دامن میں اندھیرا, ہر کرن نے چھوڑا ایک اپنا سویرا. سویرے میں داغ سب پڑ گئے ماند, اب ہے اپنا ہی سورج اور اپنا ہی چاند. اندھیرے سے جو نکل ہی چکے ہو اب, تاریکیوں کو نگل ہی چکے ہو جب, تو آؤ یہ عہد کرو. عہد کہ جب تک روح میں جان باقی ہے, جام ہے, پیالہ ہے اور ساقی ہے, رنگ محفل یوں ہی جمتی رہے گی, سجی ہے تو یوں ہی سجتی رہے گی. اور مسل ہے کہ ہمت کا حامی خدا ہے, جو سن پاؤ تو میری یہی صدا ہے.
Beautiful, Saima. It was a beautiful conversation.
Thank you so
and
much.
Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.